Hi everyone, welcome back to another 3D web-worldz tutorial. I am Evie Marie, and today we are going to talk about camera controls and movement. Movement has been covered prior to this in other tutorials, but some users still get confused, so we're going to go over it along with the camera controls to make sure that you have the easiest experience. So without doing anything else, if we're just looking at the world, I want to point out this little round circle here at the bottom. And that is the top of your avatar. So if you want to see what you look like, you can click the mirror and you can see I am in total geek mode with my name here. So if you approach another avatar, their name will be visible and you'll be able to use the social tools and chat with them. And just as an offshoot, if you wanted to apply a different kind of expression, you can click the button on the very right, which we call an Instamoji button, and you'll see that you can change your expression. So you cannot move while you're looking in the mirror. You can only look in the mirror. So once you want to return back to your movement, you can click what we call mouse look. And that is attached to your avatar. So everywhere that you look or move, your avatar will move with you. So the standard keys for movement, you click in world to begin. If you move your mouse, you will change direction. If you're on a mobile, you will slightly drag your finger to change your direction. Now, there are different controls for left-handed and right-handed mouse users to make it easier for you. I'm left-handed, so I've got my mouse on my left hand, and I can use the arrow keys to move forward, back, side to side. I can also use the page up and page down key. If you're using the mouse with your right hand, you might want to use the WASD keys, and they also will move you forward, back, side to side. To fly up and down, you can use either page up and page down, or the E and the C key. So whichever is more convenient for you. You can also combine them. So if you are moving your mouse, you could literally run yourself around in circles. Now, mobile phones are a little bit different because you don't have the arrow keys. You can touch and hold your screen to move forward and slightly drag your finger to change directions. So in order to actually turn around, you literally have to hold your finger and drag to turn. Okay, I hope that is helpful. Now, we also have a stealth mode. So there are some times when you might be in a business meeting or a classroom or a workshop and you're sitting in a seat and you don't wish to disturb the class by getting up and getting right in front of the chalkboard, just in case you need to see that a little bit more clearly. So the next button in your camera row is a stealth mode. You can click that button and it basically separates the camera from your avatar. So you can see over there on the screen that my avatar is still where I had moved it, and my camera now is independent of the avatar. So if we needed to get real up and close to a chalkboard or perhaps to read the message on the bottle label, if it had one, we could do that. And once we're ready to return to our seat and avatar control, we hit escape to get our cursor back, and once again click mouse look. And our out-of-body experience has ended. Now, one thing about building in worlds is that every item you add, in the previous tutorials we've added most mesh objects thus far, and everything is added in a phantom mode. This includes the default prims we're going to learn in the next lesson. And phantom mode means that your avatar can run right through them. So if you got carried away in this tutorial and you held the page down key or the C key too long, you notice that you were now under the sand. So in our next lesson, we are going to learn how to build an invisible barrier prim, and we hope you choose to join us.